Hi there, students. A pedigree, a noun, countable noun, or pedigree as an adjective. Okay, if an animal has a pedigree, the pedigree is the list of its ancestors. And if an animal has a good pedigree, then all of its ancestors are of a known type. Let's see. For dog breeders, normally you have a kennel club, and you can register your animal with this kennel club. It has a registered pedigree. It has documentation showing that its parents belong to a certain breed and its grandparents belong to a certain breed. So it's a registry to say that this dog is this breed of dog. You can also use this for a cat or a horse, or even cows as well. It's the official list that says that the animal is is inside a specific breed, and its parents are known, and the parents were inside this breed as well. So a pedigree dog, a purebred domestic dog, a pedigree cat, a purebred domestic cat as well. So the pedigree is the chart, the list recording the ancestors, particularly where the animal has distinguished ancestors. Now, normally you use this for animals, but you could use it for people as well. He has a pedigree going back to the times of Henry VIII. So the pedigree is the family tree. Okay, so something that goes back a long way. You can also use this word, a pedigree, if something has been done historically again and again, and you're using this as evidence to show that something is legitimate, or something is a reasonable practice, and this has a pedigree. So the pedigree talks about the background, about what came before it, the ancestry, but you could use that more metaphorically, as in where it came from. So, I don't know, this method of teaching English has a very long and illustrious pedigree. It's been used by people in the past. This scientific method has a long pedigree. Okay, it's been used like this. It's something that is valid. The pedigree of an idea is its history. The pedigree of a method is how it came to be as it is now. So it's like the recorded lineage of it, the provenance of it. This way of doing things has a very long pedigree. Okay, so the history of how something was done. Okay, so let's see, formality, pedigree. I think I would give this I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think I would use it semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. I'm not sure I'd use it informally. And then as to origin, it comes from Anglo-Norman Pedigree, literally meaning the foot of a crane to pick things up. Pes, foot, and grus, crane. So I think the crane, something tall, and it's all of the bits going up, I think is the idea. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Pedigree.